Welcome back to Instables, everyone. It looks like AMC was on quite the sell-off today, and it was halted on the way down today. And it looks like it did have a nice recovery, and then it did start to sell off towards the end of the day, like many other stocks did. So I'm going to go over a quick analysis on what we need for AMC to possibly break out going to tomorrow, and exactly what we're looking at here. Are we selling off at this point, or are we consolidating? Are we going to have a possible breakout, or is it over for AMC? I'm going to go over a quick analysis on what has to happen going to tomorrow. And also, if you guys are looking for all these penny stock breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com, click Become a Bull, and then you guys can see all the penny stock breakouts throughout the day. But again, I'm going to go over AMC with you guys and exactly what might happen going to tomorrow. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 1 hour with you guys here on AMC. And the reason I want to go over the 1 hour with you guys here is because they have been on quite the sell-off recently. And we did have a huge bounce play today. Again, we did have that huge bounce play, and then we did start to sell off towards the end of the day. Now, a lot of people are wondering, are we going to continue to sell off, or are we going to continue to break out? Now, we have been having a sell-off, but I did want to mention here on the 1 hour that we have been coming down, but it looks like we are testing the 20 MA again here. It doesn't mean that we have been on a sell-off quite yet. We are actually just consolidating at this point. We are only moving sideways until we do sell off at this point. So again, we are coming down. We're going to test the 20 MA. We might see somewhat of a bounce going into tomorrow. And that bounce, in my opinion, would be very key for that breakout. So we're going to see if we can bounce going into tomorrow and have that breakout that we're looking for. But again, AMC, again, they are selling off going into after hours. We're going to make sure this one can come back up and break out. I wanted to go over the 1 hour because I want to show you guys that it is not ultimately on a huge sell-off, as the whole market did start to sell off. Almost every single stock towards the end of the day did start to sell off, like I did mention in every video before this one. But again, AMC, we're going to see if we can bounce off the 20 MA here going into tomorrow. Even though they have been selling off, I wouldn't count them necessarily out, as again, we did come down and we did test the 20 MA here and we did have that bounce. We're going to see if we can do the same thing and break above that 72.57 mark that we have been mentioning for another breakout. Again, we have been mentioning this one since around 1451. So we're going to see if we can have a continuation of that breakout, but we are up quite a bit on AMC from here. So again, I wouldn't be blaming you if you took some profits at this point, but again, we're going to see if they can bounce off this 20 MA here and continue. We're going to be waiting for this 20 MA to curl up rather than curl down here on the 1 hour. If they do start to curl down here, then I definitely would be careful. And again, breaking below these levels here is very key. We don't want to break below this 45.85 mark. This is very key. If we do break below this 45.85 mark, that would be dropping below the 20 MA here and dropping below these candle wicks that we were really deep in previously today. So again, we're going to be waiting for this one to break out. AMC definitely on the watch going into tomorrow. A ton of volume still, and a lot of these meme stocks actually sold off very similarly going into after hours. So we're going to see if they can turn around here. And again, they have a ton of volume, and they definitely, if AMC does have the squeeze that we're looking for, and they do bounce off the 20 MA here and break above that 72.57 mark, then we could definitely see a huge breakout, and a huge breakout on almost every single meme stock, in my opinion, if that does happen. So again, AMC definitely on the watch. But again, I hope you guys have been enjoying the entries and breakouts. If you guys are looking for all these penny stock breakouts throughout the day, again, go to instables.com, click Become a Bull, and then you guys can see all the penny stock breakouts throughout the day. And if you guys have been supporting the channel and you guys been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. God bless you guys. You guys are awesome, honestly. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.